Staying in the NLL, Perrysburg at home taking on Northview. Early action, Yellow Jackets off to a fast start. Ball passed into the crease. Haschak gets the shot off through traffic for the score. Perrysburg up early. A few seconds later, Haschak again, passed right in front of the net. That's her second goal in under a minute, but she is not finished. Just a few seconds later, does it again, right up the middle, finds the back of the net. Yellow Jackets with a 3-0 lead. Haschak with a 3-0 lead. Defense also coming up big though from Perrysburg. This is a team effort. Sarah Gross on the attack. 𝗦𝗫𝗍 with the save. Keeps the Wildcats out of the net for much of the day. Back down the other way, Sarah Yeager passed to Tatum Lincoln off the turf and in. Wildcats able to answer. 𝗦𝗫𝗍 𝗡𝗶𝗴𝗵𝘁𝗹𝘆, quick shot and in. But the offensive attack by the Yellow Jackets just too much. Perrysburg goes on to win 17-2.